Hi, Deirdre here. I'm just going to show you how to do an organisation chart. So in PowerPoint, we're going to click on the bottom half of the new slide button and we'll choose title and content. And we'll just say, and type in organisation chart. So an organisation chart is a type of smart art. So in here, we click on the green arrow in here. And hierarchy is the type of smart art graphic that we're going to use. So we click on hierarchy over here and then we decide which of the layouts we're going to use. The two that I mostly use in college is this one here, horizontal labelled hierarchy, or this one here, labelled hierarchy. So to begin with, I'm going to go with labelled hierarchy and click on OK. Again, we don't touch this bit here. We're going to stay working out over here. So we click in over here and, for example, we could have Tom is the CEO, and then I'm just going to do these two along here next, okay? And that's going to be Mary. So I'm going to put in the next person, and here, do you see I ignore those bullet points there because they relate to the people who report directly to Mary. Because they're tabbed in underneath Mary, they report to Mary. So over here, I'm going to put in Pat. I'm now going to put in the people who report to Mary. So we can have Kim. Okay, and I'm pressing the down arrow, and we'll have Anne. Now there's another person reporting to Mary. So all I do is I press enter, it creates another bullet point, and you can see it comes in nicely in over here. And we'll have Lola. Okay, so Pat has two people. We've got Tim and we've got Nora. Okay, now there's actually underneath Tom there's three people reporting. So we're going to press enter, and then up the top here in this section over here, we're going to promote this person, and you can see it's gone in up at this height, and we can have Larry. Okay, oh, spelled with an L, not a J, Larry. And press enter, and then we demote the next person, and you can see we're just creating like a bullet point list, and we can have Harry and Bill. Okay, so that's filling in the details over there. The next thing are these headings over here. So in terms of layout, they're the ones right out at the edge, and that could be, for example, CEO, middle management, and supervisor or staff. Okay, and you can see whatever I type in over there is appearing in these ones here. It's possible to adjust the organisation chart again in similar way to Smart Art by clicking here onto colour change, and for example you could change the colour of it, and then once you've chosen your colours you can actually change the layout and the structure of it as well. I have to say I like to keep it simple. I don't like too much going on, so keep it fairly simple. And you can also change the layout. So for example, if you wanted to change it to a different structured layout, so instead of having it side by side, if for example you wanted to go with this layout, then you can flip it over at this point.